Are you tired of digging through Elementor menus just to add a simple heading? Learn the exact 10-step process to add, link, and style headings in under 3 minutes. We'll start by opening the page editor. Then we'll add the heading widget and customize its content, link, and styling. Go to Edit Home with Elementor. Click on Basic. Click on Heading. Click on Add your heading text here to change text. Click on Title. Click on Link to add link. Click on HTML tag. Click on H1. Click on Style. Click on Advanced. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.